Welcome to the Tribute Hotel, the newest hotel in Quezon City. We had a quick getaway before the Holy Week dahil anniversary rin naming mag-asawa. And we decided to book our stay at the Tribute Hotel. We got our deluxe twin room with balcony for only 3,000 pesos lang mahigit. Our room has complete toiletries, bathtub, and shower. We also have free access to the gym and indoor pool para sa mga ayaw maarawan. At the ground floor where Don Tomas Restaurant is located, doon kami nag-celebrate ng aming anniversary. Grabe, they have wide selection of food, lahat masarap. Their nachos grande is the best, cheesy-licious and beefy-licious. We love it. We also tried their pasta, and for me, their truffle mushroom is really good. It's my favorite. It's the best. Their Don Tomas pizza and chicken pot pie is really a must-try. For the dessert, we had Basque burnt cheesecake and crema catalana na talagang pinag-agawan namin dahil sobrang sarap.
Ang sarap ng pagkain.
And we ended our night with mocktails. Thank you, Chef Alex and team, for preparing our meals. On our second day, dahil masarap ang kain at tulog, ayan, good mood si Mister. And oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, included na po ang buffet breakfast sa inavail naming 3,000 plus na room staycation. Grabe yung beef pares nila, guys. Pinakamasarap na beef pares na nakain ko. Nakailang cup of rice ako. Then, after breakfast, nagbanding kami ng family sa pool area. For our second night dinner, we went to Don Tomas Restaurant again. For me, ang perfect ng sizzling mussels nila dahil mahilig ako sa tahong kaya talagang na-enjoy ko siya. I also like their pancit guisado, pero pinaka-the best sa akin that night is their beef kare-kare. Ang sarap! Their sinigang na hipon is also a must-try. Favorite siya ng panganay ko. And I highly recommend their ube alamon. Nako, napakasarap. Tikman nyo, guys. And syempre, after dinner, massage bonding muna with Haplos Ginger Himalayan Oil. Bait ng mga anak namin, diba? And on our third and last day sa hotel na masarap ang tulog at masarap ang gising, syempre, sulitin na natin ang Don Tomas Restaurant Buffet Breakfast. Since this is our last day, talaga namang sinulit na namin ang aming breakfast at ang dami kong nakaing beef tapa. Napakasarap. Sulit ang staycation namin dito sa The Tribute Hotel. Ang sarap ng food, grabe. So guys, if you're looking for an affordable staycation within Metro Manila, book your stay at the Tribute Hotel. Everyone is so accommodating and super friendly, plus super duper sarap ng mga food. The Tribute Hotel is located at 99 Scout Gandia, Tomas Morato, Quezon City. Thank you for watching, guys. Till our next staycation.